The Supreme Court on Monday has directed the State Bank of India to disclose details relating to the electoral bonds to the Election Commission by March 12. The top court also ordered the Election Commission to compile the information and publish it on its website by March 15. Dismissing the bank's petition seeking an extension of the deadline, a five-judge bench headed by Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud also told the State Bank of India that it would be in contempt of the court if it does not comply with the order. The bench was hearing a petition by the government-owned bank asking the deadline for providing information relating to electoral bonds to the Election Commission be extended till June 30. Critics pointed out that this would mean that the information would become public only after the Lok Sabha elections are over. It may be recalled that the Supreme Court had on February 15 directed the bank to issue details of the political parties that received electoral bonds from April 12, 2019 and submit them to the Election Commission by March 6. The court had said that the electoral bonds could lead to quid pro quo arrangements between donors and political parties when it struck down the scheme as unconstitutional.